Welcome to the 1099 ETC program. This tutorial covers setting up New York Local Withholding tax for New York City and Yonkers. This covers the payer, employee and check setup. To begin, the payer, ABC Payroll, has been created and the state withholding has been set up. Open the payer in AMS Payroll. Select Payer. Then Payer Edit. Select the Payer State, Local tab. This is the Payer State, Local screen. Some information, such as the state withholding, has been set up. In the Local section, on a blank line either click the number at the beginning of the line, or double-click on the blank line itself. If you have both locals, NYC and Yonkers, you will need to set up NYC as Local 1 and Yonkers as Local 2. Enter, NYC is the name. It must be exact. New York locals do not have codes, so leave that line blank. Click the arrow beside the withholding method line. The tax tables for NYC and Yonkers are built into the program. Select Table. Since we selected Tax Table, do not enter a fixed percentage. Click OK. If the payer need Yonkers too, repeat the steps for Local 2. Enter Yonkers as the name and select Table. Click OK. Once the locals are set up, click the Preference tab. In the Check Entry Fields Preferences, check for Need Local Withholding. This will add a field called LITW on the check screen. This field can be used to either enter or calculate the local withholding. If NYC and Yonkers are both withheld on the same check, select 5, Need Second Local Withholding as well. This will add a field called LITW2 on the check screen. Click OK. To set up the employee, on the AMS Payroll menu, select Input. Next, highlight an employee and click Edit. Select the Live Payroll Parameters tab. In the Tax Code Parameters section, the state withholding has been set up. On a blank line either click the number at the beginning of the line, or double-click on the blank line itself. Click the State, Local arrow. To set up one local, select either NYC or Yonkers from the list. When New York was selected, the tax table number line appeared, because earlier we selected table as a state withholding method. If percentage of rates had been selected, you would enter the tax rate instead. Click the arrow beside the tax table number and select the appropriate tax table. Select RE, NYC, Single Resident, as the tax table. If you are using a tax table, the annual exclusion is already built in. You do not need to add it on this screen. On this screen, you can also enter an add-on amount for local withholding. Click OK. The NYC local withholding has been set up. We repeated the steps and added Yonkers tax as Local 2. Click OK. Now, we are going to demonstrate how to calculate the local withholding on checks. Highlight an employee and click Add Check. First, make sure that the locals are selected on the check. If it is not, click the arrow and make the correct selection. Next, make sure there are check marks beside the LITW and or LITW2 field, if applicable. To test, enter in 1000 in the gross and make sure that any fields you want to calculate are checked. Click Calculate. As you can see, everything checked was calculated including the local withholding. Click Save to save the check. If your local withholding did not calculate, go back and make sure the payer and employee setup is correct. For further questions, please review the frequently asked questions on our website. Technical support can be reached by email, fax, chat or phone. Thank you for using the 1099 etc. program. Have a great day.